What's going on, y'all? It's Gus's Guns out here. Beautiful day. We like to shoot on beautiful days. Today, bringing you another 12 gauge. One I just recently picked up from a friend. It's a Ithaca Model 66. It's a lever action, single shot break barrel, which only shoots 3-inch shells. So, if any of you guys have ever shot 3-inch shells, you know what I'm talking about here. If you guys ever shot one of these shotguns, you also know what I'm talking about. So, I do love to shoot shotgun. This is my least favorite one to shoot, and I will show you why. She recoils terribly. And even though it has a killer kick, I mean, it's still fun to shoot. But let's try doing another one-handed video, huh? Alright, I really just kind of got to prepare myself for this. This thing hurts shooting it with two hands. One's not going to be any fun. That does hurt. Guys, do not try this at home. Thanks for watching.